Welcome to Business News. Purchase of a house or purchase of a flat is a dream for all of us. And many of us already purchased a house or purchased a flat by taking housing loan, home loan, housing finance. Due to increase in the rate of inflation in the country, the inflation rate is increasing day by day. So in order to control the rate of inflation in the country, RBI, Reserve Bank of India, has increased repo rate and lending rates. Because of the increase in repo rate and lending rates by RBI, the housing finance companies also increased the interest rates on home loan. So the housing finance companies has increased home loan interest rates. Already Bajaj Finance Company, LIC Housing Finance Company increased the interest rate on home loans by 0.5%. What is the impact on increase in interest rates of home loan? The impact will be twofold. The impact will be on either on the tenure of the loan, period of the loan, or impact will be on the amount of EMI. Any one of these two has to be affected, no other option. If you want to keep the EMI amount as same, then tenure of the loan, period of the loan has to be increased. If you want to keep the tenure or period of the loan as same, then EMI amount has to be increased. If you want to keep one of these as stable, same, then the other one has to be increased at any cost, no other option. In that way, then only it will be adjusted by the banks, housing finance companies. And at this point, I just wanted to give a small suggestion for the housing loan customers that whenever there is a chance, whenever there is a possibility for you, please try to repay the principal amount. At least a small percentage, 5% of your home loan, principal amount of home loan must be repaid at least in a year. If you are able to repay the at least small amount of principal amount, it will reduce a lot of interest amount. In the future, it will reduce the burden of interest a lot. And another suggestion is, many other housing finance companies will approach you and they will ask you, we are offering the home loans at low interest rates, shift your housing finance to our bank. Don't simply shift like that. Check. Okay, they are offering at low interest rates of home loan, but how much less interest rates they are offering? Check carefully, and when compared to your bank housing loans, that housing finance company interest rates on home loans must be less by at least 50 basis points. If their interest rates are less by 50 basis points, then only there is a useful advantage in shifting to other housing finance company home loan. Otherwise, there is no use at all. Thank you for listening.